How to make text jump on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messages application on your phone. You are now in the Messages page where you can view all your messages. On this page, go to the top right corner and tap on the new message icon. Then, tap on the plus icon as shown. You can search for or type in the name of the people who you want to send the message to from here. You can select more than one person if you want. After selecting, go to the text bar and type in a message. Then, tap on the text effects icon above the keyboard. Here, you can view and try out all the effects. Select the nod effect from here. Following these steps, you can easily make text jump on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.